Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMesh. You are likely here because you tried to open an app and Windows hit you with a message saying Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe. It is incredibly frustrating because there is usually no run anyway button. Today I will explain why this happens and how you can get your app running. Smart App Control uses AI to block apps that don't have a high reputation. It doesn't necessarily mean the app is a virus. It means the developer hasn't digitally signed it or it isn't widely used enough for Microsoft to trust it yet. This happens a lot with older software or custom scripts. To get past this, we need to go to your system settings. So first, just go to your Windows search and search for Smart App Control. So let's search for Smart App Control. And then open your Smart App Control settings. So you can also find it under Windows Security and then go to your app and browser control, and then here you can see Smart App Control. So just click on Smart App Control settings. So here you will see three options. So the first option is on, and if you want to toggle it off, then you mainly need to click on off. So here is the catch. Microsoft hasn't included a simple toggle to turn this back on. Once you switch it off, the on button becomes grayed out and Windows will tell you that you need to reinstall the entire operating system to enable it again. It's a huge limitation that most users hate. However, you don't actually need to reinstall Windows. I have found a way to force Smart App Control back on using Registry Editor. I have made a dedicated video on it. Click on the I button to know more about that. So here just click on yes, I am sure, and then click on yes. So that's it. Now you can install any apps that Smart Control was blocking, but I would say that be cautious and make sure that you know and you trust the source that you are installing from. And if you ever want to turn it back on again without reinstalling your Windows, then follow my video on in the I button. So before you go, I want to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think Microsoft requirement to reinstall Windows just to enable Smart App Control is a justified security measure or an unnecessary hassle? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you understand the error, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechMesh for more honest tech guides. I am Mesh and I will see you in the next video.